Let's go, guys. Raul TV Team R for you, well, your favorite YouTube mechanic back again. YouTube land, how is everybody? Right, what we're doing now is I've got a Mark 7 Golf here, VW Golf 2014-15 kind of thing, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the front bumper. I don't know why he's replacing it, nothing wrong with this bumper, okay, but he wants a GTI bumper fitting onto this bumper. So VW Golf 2014-15 Mark 7, we're going to go ahead and replace the front bumper. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take both front wheels off. The reason being I'm going to take it off there. I'm not going to send the car up because they're quite heavy wheels, them. Really heavy wheels. So I'm going to take them off there. That way, save my back. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I've took the wheels off. I thought I'll just get that out of the way. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, the front grille. To take that off, Torx 25, one here, one here. Let's take that off and we'll go from there. Right, okay, front grille is off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to send it up. Wheels are off. We'll tackle it from the underneath. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Jack the car up. You need to jack it up quite a bit, so make sure you get some axle stands on it. Make sure it's safe. Right, let's send this car up. Right, next thing what we're going to do is I've sent it up on the ramp. We'll take this bottom cover off. I've already started taking it off. So Torx 25 all the way around here, all the way along this side as well. And the back ones, Torx 45, take them off, take this panel off, this cover off, just pull it towards the back of the car. Right, the next thing what we're going to do is this wheel arch cover. We don't need to take the full lot off. Basically we're going to take that screw off there, that one off here, okay, take this corner one off, the corner wheel arch cover on this side, and same on this side as well. So we've got some Torx 25 there, a few on the top there, that one there, that one there, a few along the bottom here, one here, one here. Take them off. Both corner ones comes off. The corner wheel arch cover, bottom wheel arch cover. Let's take them off. Right, as you can see there, we've took that corner wheel arch cover off. Same on this side as well. We've took it off on this side as well. What we're going to do now is, as you can see there, we've got one little Torx there, okay, and one on this side, either side of the bumper. Okay, Torx 25. We're going to go ahead and take them two off. See these bottom ones here? One here, one here, and one here. We're going to take them three off, and hopefully that's about it. Maybe there might be a sensor inside there, but that's about it, I think. The rest of it is just clips. Right, let's take them off. Right guys, as you can see there, I've took that one off there. Them three on the bottom are off. This one, and this one, as you can tell, it's all freestyling, ready to come off. The one on this side, right on the corner, that one's off as well. So I'm going to send it down a little bit and give it a pull on one side. Hopefully it should come off one side at a time. If you get an assistant to hold the other side as well, that'll be a lot easier. But you can do it by yourself. Take one side off, then go ahead and take the other side off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is, obviously I've took them off, as you can see there, right? The one underneath there, that's off, right? That Torx 25. So what we do is we get our hands on the end there and just give it a pull. There we go. Just be a bit brutal with it. That side is off. We're going to go to this side and give it a pull on this side as well. There we go, that's off. Okay, so basically both sides are off, as you can see there. That side is off. This side is off. Okay, just pull it. For these clips here, there's one clip right here. You can see they get like a hook and lift it up like that. If you lift it up like that, that will come off. Okay, we'll go to this side as well. You need two hands, obviously. Get it in there, lift it up like that. As you can see, it's coming off. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take all these off. Some more here. See this clip here, another clip there, there, there. All of these little clips off, and hopefully this bumper should come straight off. You just have to be a little bit rough with it and give it a little. There we go. That's it. Happy days. Bumper is off. Let's go. Like I mentioned, the clips on the top here, you don't really need to do anything. Just give it a little hard pull, a little yank. It should come off, right? And yeah, let's get the new one on. Okay, guys, there we have it. Our new second-hand new front bumper. The reason, there was nothing wrong with the old bumper. He just wanted the facelifted, the GTI front bumper, and yeah, that's it. So let's get this on. Let's finish the job off. Okay, guys, there we go. I got the bumper on. I'll be straight and honest with you. I needed two people. One person to hold it on this side, the other person to hold it on this side, and I've got it back on the same way. Just clip it back on. There we go. The bumper is on. We're going to fit it in reverse order. Get all the screws, nuts and bolts, everything on. Let's finish it off. Let's go. Well, that is it, guys. That's how we replaced the front bumper on a Mark 7 Golf 2013, 14, 15, 16, even 17, right? Mark 7 Golf. That's how we replaced the front bumper. Dead easy. If you've got a ramp, you can do it, no problem whatsoever. If you haven't got a ramp, a little bit hard, you know, you have to jack it up and everything. So yeah, I hope that this video helps you guys out. If it doesn't help you guys out, or if it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Peace and blessing. I'm trying my best. All I'm going to say is please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. It is sunny and nice. The sun's out. Guns need to come out. Let's go.